Hi and welcome to Fashion Mall. This is a quick video to show you how to register on Fashion Mall. Once you're on the landing page, you can either click sell here or click this little button which looks like a person. And as soon as you click on that, it brings you onto this page. Now go on and fill in your email address and create a password. And at the bottom, as you have chosen a vendor, okay, it will populate a form which needs filling. So you go ahead, fill in your name, your shop name. As you can see, as soon as you fill your shop name here, we create a shop for you in the site. Put your ID number. Ideally, this is really just to reassure customers that we are dealing with genuine people. Your telephone number, okay? Once you've done that, you will create register. And as soon as you create register, this is the message you are going to get. Please check your email and complete verification. So you want to go into the email that you have used, and you will find an email that has been sent from Fashion Mall. Unfortunately, if you don't find it in your inbox, it will always be in your spam box, because obviously we've not been communicating with you. So go ahead, go into your spam box, and once you go in there, this is what you are going to find. This email telling you about Fashion Mall, we look forward to seeing you, and you want to click here. Click here so that it takes you back to Fashion Mall, all right? And it will bring you to this page and just tells you a little bit of Fashion Mall. Click Let's Go. Once you click Let's Go, it brings you now to the setup store page. You want to fill in all the details about your store on this page. It goes further down. There are a few more fields for you to complete at the bottom. And once you have completed, you click Continue. It will bring you here where you are meant to set up your bank details. Now, for now, you can skip this. It's not necessary because we have your number, and very possible we will be limiting any finances through your M-Pesa account. So you can skip this, but if you want to fill it in, it's not a problem. Once you skip that, it will bring you here, and it's as easy as that. Now you have set up your store, so it's prompting you to go to your store dashboard, all right? And when you come to your store dashboard, this is how it looks. Now, I'm not going to go into detail from here because there is another video which shows you how to continue from here after you have become a seller. Anyway, I hope that was easy. Any issues, please remember you have our email, our telephone number. You can always ask and we'll get back to you. Thank you.